Good morning, friends. Now I'm going to discuss a few points about applications and impact of management science in business. First one, application of management science. Management science is implied in different areas of human activities such as project planning, quality control, personal management, etc. Management science activities are being conducted by a large percentage of corporate organizations and are applied to a wide range of problems. As we all know that management science is implemented in different areas of human activities, and these are adopted by a large percentage of corporate organizations in their business. Following are some areas of applications of management science. First one, market analysis. Uh, Management science techniques are adopted in market analysis for market strategy planning, preventive maintenance, program planning, manpower training, program design, etc. Then second one, linear programming. Linear programming technique is used for product mix design, oil refinery operation, capital structure planning, capital budgeting, advertising media, etc. Next, assignment and transportation model. Assignment and transportation model technique is used for physical distribution planning, production planning, manpower assignment, and space allocation. That we already discussed the problems in detail in last classes. Next one, inventory model. In inventory model, we seek the raw material, inventory planning, retail sales, etc. Management techniques are adopted in these areas also. Next one, network model. We all already know that network models PERT, CPM, and we already discussed the problems in detail. In network model, we discuss project scheduling, project budgeting, traffic control, pipeline routing, communication network, etc. Then last one is dynamic programming. Complex system analysis, sales distribution, planning, production, and inventory planning. In dynamic programming, we discuss complex systems in detail and sales distribution, planning, and inventory management. Then we can move to the impact of management science. In management science are various impact in business and its surroundings. We can discuss in detail. Management science can increase the overall efficiency of the organization and make decision making easier and more defined. Furthermore, the management science approach can help more specifically in the following areas, means core areas of business. Management science have the impact on these core areas of business. First, we can discuss in planning. Planning, the management science technique can be used in planning because it identifies and predicts the result of certain processes. It understands the future needs of business and helps to fulfill organization objective. As we all know that planning helps in predicting the future and fulfilling the organization objective. Management science techniques are used in planning because it identifies and predicts the result in certain processes in future. Next one, organizing. Management science helps to allocate direct resources at right place and at right time. Organizing means organizing allocation of resources in various activities such as labor, then inventory, and other production technique. So management science techniques helps some organization to allocate direct resources at right place and at right time. Next one, controlling operation. Since the approach is focused on management, it can boost the way organization leads. It can help individual managers to get focused on most important aspects of business. Management science techniques also helps the management in its controlling processes. It helps individual managers to get focused on most important and core areas of business. We can also discuss some other benefit of this management science techniques. First, it helps to boost productivity, industrial peace, and enhance organizational ability to specialize its product and service. It creates a peaceful environment and thus it increases the productivity of the organization and ability to specialize in its Product and services. We all know that every organization has specializations in its own product and services. Thus, management science techniques helps the organization to specialize in its core areas of business operation. Second one, it also helps in time management and create a workful environment. It helps in study of fatigue and time management of employees and create a workful environment. Next one, it motivates employees by providing adequate wages and bonus plan. We all know that employees will get motivated only when they are paid at right time their wages, and also inspired by the bonus plans also. When employees are provided adequate wage and bonus plan, they will get motivated and work more effectively and efficiently. Next one, helps to manage better cooperation between manager and labor. We need to create a better workful environment, so it is necessary to maintain a good relationship between manager and labor. So these management science techniques helps to reduce the conflict between the manager and labor and create a workful environment. Next one, specializations is improved through understanding the strength and weakness of company. We need to specialize in certain core areas. Then only the company can continue its growth prospects. So it is important to specialize its core areas. So the company should understand its strength and weakness. Then only it can rectify its mistakes and weaknesses and focus towards organizational objective and specializations. Next one, create an environment of clarity in the workplace and provide more security to the workforce in terms of knowing their position, health, and safety of employees. It Management science techniques also helps to provide a good workplace, and thus employees can assure their security and their position in the organization. It also helps to create a sense of safety and secure among these employees. Management science can be beneficial for the organization by improving the way it operates, but also guaranteeing better relationship between different stakeholders. With improved efficiency, productivity will increase and further create a situation for higher profit. Thus, management science is beneficial for the organization. How it will create a good relationship between the stakeholders. We all know that company have different stakeholders, and we need to create a better relationship between these stakeholders. Thus, by creating a better relationship, it could improve its efficiency, productivity, and growth. Then we can move to present and future of management science. The development of decision support and expert system is a natural evolution of management science for decision making. In present, management science techniques are mainly deal with this expert system, and it is used for a while. The decision support system concept represent a new and increasingly important for assisting the managers to make and improve the quality of decision. This expert system helps the managers for improving the quality of decision making. It is an interactive computerized system capable of providing direct personal support for the decision maker. This is the present scenario of management science. This expert system helps the managers to make improve quality of decision, and it is an interactive computerized system capable of providing direct personal support for the decision maker. It is an interactive computerized system, and it assists the managers to make adequate decisions at right time. At present, simple expert systems are realized and they are relatively straightforward to develop. Presently, a new technique, that is expert system, a simple expert system are realized and they are relatively straightforward to develop. They are almost developing this new technique. More sophisticated intelligence expert system capable of displaying common sense knowledge require more powerful artificial intelligence method than currently existing. Techniques, it require more artificial intelligence system. for expert analysis and displaying common sense knowledge to these managers and experts. Therefore, the future of management science techniques depend on artificial intelligence. So we can say that this future of management science techniques will depend upon this new adopting artificial intelligence system, because it is more sophisticated and more advanced expert system which is capable of displaying common sense knowledge, and it has more artificial intelligence technique. So it is the future of management science. Thank you. Have a nice day.